Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Technical Drome on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel art in 1 minute using an Android app called Canva. So let's begin. So the channel art which you're seeing here, Technical Drome, which I've created within 1 minute. So now I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so let's go to App Store. Type Canva. So this app is already installed in my mobile, so you'll have to install if it is not there in yours. Okay, so just open the app. The initial screen will appear like this. You have to go to YouTube channel art. Channel art. Just click on see all. You'll see various thumbnails here. You can select the thumbnail which is appropriate to your video. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, click on the image to edit. So now I've downloaded a laptop here already. You can go to Google and download the images appropriate to your video. Okay, click on the image and click on the text. Now I'm done. So this is my channel art for my YouTube channel. Actually, you don't need to worry about the size because Canva takes appropriate size suitable for your YouTube channel. Okay, all that what you need to do is just share it and save this image wherever you want to, WhatsApp or email it, or save it or download it to your mobile images, whatever as per your need. Okay, hope you've liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and encourage me to get you more such videos. Thank you and have a good day.